Hi, good morning everybody. Yesterday we were discussing multiple submultiples, sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta, sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta, cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square theta. And all we discussed tan 2 theta, sin in terms of tan, cos 2 theta in terms of tan. All this we discussed in yesterday class, as well as sin 3 theta. Sin 3 theta equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin 2 theta. Sin 3 theta equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin 2 theta. Cos 3 theta equal to 4 cos 2 theta minus 3 cos theta. Minus 3 cos theta, tan 3 theta, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. All these we discussed in the yesterday class. Now, application of them. How can we use those 3 theta, 2 theta in finding angles? Like in compound angles, we found sin 45 minus 30, sin of 45 minus 30 we found sin 15, tan of 45 minus 30, tan 15 we found using A minus B formula. Same, using 2 theta and 3 theta formula, we can find sin 22 and half, cos 22 and half, like sin 18, cos 18, sin 36, cos 36, different values we can find using these multiples and submultiple angles. Using these submultiple angles, we can find other angles. Those we will find now. So we can find sin 22, cos 22, tan 22, all those values. I will tell you what remaining you can try. How to find sin 20 and half degrees, sin 22 and half degrees. How to find? Using cos 2 theta, we can find this very easy. We know that cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. We know that cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Yesterday we learned. Using that, if theta equal to 22 and half, here, what happens? Cos of 2 into 22 and half, how much? 45. 2 into 22 and half is 45 equal to 1 minus 2 sin square 22 and half. 2 sin square theta is 22 and half. Now, cos 45, no, 1 by root 2, and 2 sin square 22 and half, I will bring on this side, becomes 2 sin square 22 and half equal to 1 minus plus 40, cos 45 goes to that side, minus cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Now, if I bring this 2 to this side, goes to denominator, means I can write like this, root 2 minus 1 by root 2, if I take LCM for these two. Now, sin square 22 and half equal to, root 2 minus 1 by, root 2 minus 1 by, first I will get square, then I will take up the square, becomes root. So, sin square 22 and half equal to, root 2 minus 1 by, this 2 goes to denominator, so becomes 2 root. If I take out the square, now it becomes root of. So square root of root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 gives you sin 22 and half. And like the same, you have another formula for cos 2 theta. That is 2 cos square minus 1. As I told, sin is having minus value always. Observe, root 2 minus 1. Like sin 15, you got root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Like that. And cos value always plus. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, cos 15. Like find cos 22, you will get root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. You can try that. Cos 22 and half. Using the formula cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. Minus 1 goes to that side, plus 1. So becomes root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2 gives you cos 22 and half. Like the same tan 22 and half. Cot 22 and half, you try all these using 2 theta formula. you can find all those values. Like that, I will tell you 18 again. Now, after 22, we will go for 18 degrees. How can I find sine 18 degrees? I need to find sine 18, I want to find. How? Simply, I know that 18 5s are 90 degrees. 18 5s are 90 degrees. So, if A equal to like theta equal to 19, 18 I took. If theta equal to 18 I take, then 5 theta is 90 degrees. If theta is 18 I take, then let theta equal to 18, then 5 theta equal to 5 into 18, 90 degrees. 90 degrees. If now 5 theta I can write as, I don't know 5 theta formula. We learned only 2 theta and 3 theta. So I will split it to 3 theta plus 2 theta. So 2 theta plus 3 theta. 2 parts I will make this 5 theta. 2 theta plus 3 theta equal to 90 degrees. Equal to 90 degrees. Now this 3 theta goes to that side. Plus 3 theta going to that side becomes minus 3 theta. Plus 3 theta goes to that side, minus 3 theta. Means 2 theta equal to 90 minus 3 theta. 2 theta equal to 90 minus 3 theta. 90 minus 3 theta. Applying sine on both sides. Applying sine on both sides. Or applying cos on both sides. Applying cos on both sides. Anything you can do 100%. So I am applying sine on both sides. Applying sine on both sides. Applying sine on both sides. So what do I get? Sin 2 theta equal to sin of 90 minus 3 theta. Sin of 90 minus 3 theta. Or cos theta equal to cos of 90 minus 3 theta. Your choice. So coming to here, sin 2 theta equal to sin of 90 minus 3 theta. Sin 2 theta formula I know. 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to, this is sin of 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Is cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So becomes cos 3 theta. Now I know the cos 3 theta formula. What is the formula of cos 3 theta? Just now only we discussed it. Cos 3 theta. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So cos 3 theta I can write as 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. From these two, if I take cos theta and cancels on both sides, left out is 2 sin theta equal to, I am taking cancel. Taking common cos theta from these two and cancelling with this cos theta. So left out is 4 cos square theta. 4 cos square theta minus 3. 4 cos square theta minus 3. Now, this cos square, if I convert it to sine, I will get a quadratic inside. If this cos square, if I write 1 minus sine square, this cos square I will write 1 minus sine square, automatically converts it to quadratic inside. So, what happens is, now, 2 sin theta equal to, 2 sin theta equal to, this is 4 into cos square theta I can write as 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta minus 3. Minus 3. Now if I open the brackets, 4 minus 4 sin square theta minus 3. Bringing all to one side, this becomes 4 sin square consistent plus 4 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta plus 2 sin theta. 4 minus 3 plus 1 comes inside minus 1 equal to 0. Minus 1 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic inside. Observe, this is a quadratic inside. We know how to find the roots of a quadratic equation. X equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. X equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, which you learned at our 10th class. So sin theta equal to minus b means minus 2 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. B square here is 2 square 4 minus 4ac. 4 into 4 16 minus of minus plus 16. This is 4. 4 just 16 minus 1. So 16 into minus 1. So minus 16 minus of minus plus 16. B square minus 4ac by 2a. 2 into 4 8. 2 into 4 8. So sin theta equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 20 by 8. Root 20 means I can write 2 root 5. Root 20 means I can write 2 root 5 by 8. So if I cancel, taking 2 common and cancel, I will get minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 4. But root 5 minus 1 minus root 5 by 4 is negative. But sin theta is equal to 18 degrees between. Theta is 18 degrees between. What is sin theta? Sin 18 degrees between. So 18 degrees means 0 to 90 degrees in between in the first quadrant. Sin is positive, not negative. So we need positive value. Here the positive value is minus 1 plus root 5 by 4. Minus 1 plus root 5 by 4. So root 5 minus 1 by 4 gives me sin 18. So root 5 minus 1 by 4 gives me sin 18. See, sin 18 I got minus. So sin is always minus. Now if I find cos 36, we will observe it becomes plus. So this is sin 18, how to find? Sin 18 equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. Sin 18 equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. Like this, I can find cos 18 now. Cos 18 is root of 1 minus sin square. Gives me cos theta directly. So to find cos 18, I will use sin identity. Sin and cos identity. Sin and cos identity. So what is cos 18? Cos 18 is nothing but, now this is cos 18 equal to cos 18 degrees equal to root of 1 minus sin square theta. That is root of 1 minus sin square 18 degrees. Root of 1 minus sin square 18 degrees. So root of 1 minus square of this root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. So if I simplify this, what do I get? So root of 4 square is 16. So 1 minus, if I open this is a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab whole by 16. So if I take 16 LCM, this becomes 16 minus 6 minus into minus plus 2 root 5 by 16. So this becomes 16 minus 6, 10. So root of 10 minus 2 root 5. 10 minus 2 root 5 by this 16 is 4 I can write. So root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. So sin always gives you minus in between always. Observe. So sin cos 18 is plus. Sin is always minus, cos is plus. So by observing that I did mistake, I identified. See here this is plus 2 root 5. Cos always gives you plus. So this is cos 18 is root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. But sin 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4. The reverse happens. Now cos 36. If I find cos 36, that is root 5 plus 1 by 6. Cos 18 is equal to sin 36. Sin 18 equal to cos 36 only with difference of minus. Only with difference of minus. See, this is cos 18. Now, if I go for sin 36, gives me root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. And if I find cos 36, root 5 plus 1 by 4. So I will go for cos 36 first. So I will find cos 36. Cos 36. Cos 36 I can write as cos of 2 into 18. 2 into 18. Cos of 2 into 18 is nothing but cos 2 theta formula. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 1 minus 2 sin square theta is nothing but 1 minus 2 sin square 18. So 1 minus 2 into sin 18 we know. We just now will define root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square sin y. So root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. So becomes 1 minus 2 into, this is a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab is a value we get by 4. If you want you can cancel for 2 times also or leave it like that for only. To take the LCM, this is 4 square 16 sir. So this is 16 minus 2 2 sin square 18. Cos 36 equal to cos of 2 into 18 I'm writing. That is cos 2 theta 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 1 minus 2 sin square 18. Sin square 18. Sin 18 I know root 5 minus 1 by 4. So whole square I get. So root 5 square 5 plus 1 minus 2ab 2 root 5 by 6. So if I open the brackets, this is 6 2 is 12 and this is minus 2 minus plus 2 2 is 4 root 5 by 16. 4 root 5 by 16. So this is 16 minus 12. 4 plus 4 root 5 by 16. And if I take 4 common and cancels, left out is 1 plus root 5 by 4. Now what I done? Cos 36, 1 plus root 5 plus 1 by 4. Sin 18, root 5 minus 1 by 4. If only minus difference, both are equal I told. Sin 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4. Cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 by 4. Root 5 plus 1 by 4. So sin 18, cos 36. Like cos 18, sin 36. So finally I get all the values at a time. So what I want to say is, you wrote down the numbers and by heart. Sin 18 equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. Like cos 36 equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. They have only derived both. Root 5 plus 1 by 4. And then sin 36 equal to cos 36 equal to cos 18 equal to cos 18 we derived root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4, root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. This is obviously root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. So by heart these values. By heart these values, very much useful. We will discuss some important results on these multiple submultiples. Already we discussed some of the results in the last class, like cos theta into cos 60 plus theta into cos 60 minus theta, always cos 3 theta by 4. Like sin theta into sin 60 plus theta into sin 60 minus theta, sin 3 theta by 4. Tan theta into tan 60 plus theta into tan 60 minus theta, simply tan 3 theta, tan 3 theta. These results we discussed in the last video. Now coming to this, some more of those results we'll discuss now. 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 cos theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 cos theta, by 2 cos theta and by 2 sin theta. Both will do 2 sin theta plus 1 plus 2 cos theta by 2 sin theta. Like 1 plus 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 cos theta. So like that we will discuss. First of all, what is the value of this? Or simply sin 2 theta. So 1 plus cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta, what happens? 1 plus cos theta we know. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So I am writing 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. By sin 2 theta I can write 2 sin theta into cos theta. Sin 2 theta I can write 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1 gets cancelled. Left out is 2 cos square theta by 2 sin theta into cos theta. Now we can cancel 1 cos and 2 left out is cot theta. Left out is cot theta. Cot theta. Like the same, if it is minus 1 minus cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta. What happens? Same 1 minus cos 2 theta is simply I am writing 2 sin square theta. 2 sin square theta because cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. That 1 gets cancelled, minus of minus plus. I am writing directly. And this is sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 cancel, sin cancel. Sin by cos is tan theta. Sin by cos is tan theta. So what I want to say is, if it is 1 minus cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta, always tan theta. If If it is theta, then that is theta by 2. Then that is theta by 2. This 1 minus cos theta by sin theta always gives you tan theta by 2. So instead of doing every time, remember this result. This result is very easy. Doing also very easy, one step from that doesn't matter. Next result. Next result. Next very important result, that is cot theta minus tan theta equal to 2 cot 2 theta. Cot theta minus tan theta equal to 2 cot 2 theta. 2 cot 2 theta. 2 cot 2 theta. Very important result this is. Using this we will get direct formula also. Now cot theta minus tan theta equal to 2 cot 2 theta. Derivation very easy by taking LHS. This cot 2 theta I can write 1 by tan theta. Cot 2 theta I can write 1 by tan theta minus tan theta. Now if I take LCM, it becomes 1 minus tan square theta by tan theta. 1 minus tan square theta by tan theta. Into 2 by 2 if I do. Into 2 by 2 if I do. Now this is 1 minus tan square theta by 2 tan theta. It's nothing but 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta is tan 2 theta. So this is cot 2 theta. So it's nothing but 2 cot 2 theta. 2 cot 2 theta. You know tan 2 theta formula. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. It is just reverse of that. 1 minus tan square by 2 tan theta is cot 2 theta. So 2 cot 2 theta. 2 cot 2 theta. So by heart this result. Now we will derive one more sum. We will do one more sum based on this concept. Then we will derive a formula also. Cot theta minus tan theta equal to 2 cot 2 theta. 2 cot 2 theta. Using this result, he is asking to prove that tan theta plus 2 tan theta, using this result, he is asking to prove that let's take this as tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta, 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta, 4 tan 4 theta, 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta, 8 cot 8 theta, 8 cot 8 theta equal to cot theta. This is what we are doing. Tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta equal to cot theta. So how to prove? Using this we can prove this very easily. How to prove? We know that tan theta, cot theta minus tan theta equal to 2 cot 2 theta. Tan cot theta minus 2 cot 2 theta equal to, this is tan cot theta minus tan theta equal to 2 cot 2 theta. If I bring this to this side, this to that side, what happens is cot theta minus 2 cot 2 theta, 2 cot 2 theta is always equal to how much? Obviously tan theta. This minus tan to that side plus 2 cot 2 theta to this side. So what do I get? Cot theta minus 2 cot 2 theta equal to tan 2 theta. Now instead of theta, if I have 2 theta, means cot 2 theta minus 2 cot 4 theta, 2 cot 4 theta. In place of theta, if I substitute 2 theta, what happens? Cot 2 theta minus 2 cot 4 theta equal to obviously tan 2 theta. In place of theta, just I am substituting 2 theta. So automatically becomes 2 tan 2 theta. So if I multiply this equation with 2, like that next equation also I will write, then we will come to 2. If I multiply this with 2, what do you get? Into 2, 2 into 2, 4. So 2, I am multiplying whole equation with 2, so I got this. So 2 tan 2 theta. So 2 cot 2 theta minus 4 cot theta and 4 theta equal to 2 tan 2 theta. Same, instead of theta, if I substitute 4 theta, what do I get? Tan 4 theta minus 2 cot, both is 8 theta equal to tan 4 theta. Tan 4 theta. Just in place of 2 theta, I substituted and multiplied with 2. In place of theta, I substituting 4 theta, then multiply with 4. Then multiply with 4. This becomes 4, this becomes 8, this becomes 4. Now, adding all these, what do I get? Adding all these, what do I get? 2 cot 2 theta, 2 cot theta gets. 4 cot 4 theta, 4 cot 4 theta gets. Left out is cot theta minus 8 cot 8 theta minus 8 cot 8 theta equal to, this side what you get? Tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 tan 4 theta. Now this minus 8 tan 8 theta to that side. What do I get? Tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta. Left out is cot theta. That one has to prove. Then prove. So this implies cot theta equal to tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus minus 8 goes to the side plus 8 cot 8 theta. Hence prove. That one you need to prove. Hence prove. Very simple. Very simple. Did you observe this? Now, from this, if you observe, this is 2 square. Like this, if I take next step, 2 cube, tan 4 theta, and so on. So, from this result, I will write a formula. What is that is? Tan theta plus, from this, I will write a formula that tan theta plus tan 2 into tan 2 theta plus 2 square into tan of 2 square theta. 4 theta is 2 square theta. Like 2 cube into tan of 2 cube theta, and so on, and so on, and so on. 2 power n minus 1 into tan of 2 power n minus 1 theta. 2 power n minus 1 into tan of n minus 1 theta plus, now this is like see 2 cube into cot 8 theta means 2 power n into cot of 2 power n theta equal to cot theta So this result is important for us because now we can't keep on solving all this. So if you remember the result, you can directly write this answer. So the cot tan theta plus 2 tan theta plus 2 square tan 2 square theta plus 2 cube tan 2 cube theta plus and so on 2 power n minus 1 tan 2 power n minus 1 theta plus 2 power into cot of 2 power n theta equal to tan cot theta is always equal to cot theta.